So what should babies eat for breakfast? I have a super easy bake-ahead breakfast recipe for you that I know your baby is going to love. Hi, I'm Katie Ferraro, registered dietitian and mom of 7, specializing in baby-led weaning. And if you're feeling bummed about breakfast, these super easy zucchini egg cups are going to make your family's day. And hang tight till the end of the video because I'm going to show you a little secret trick for getting this recipe to be the exact size that your baby can safely self-feed. For the zucchini egg cup recipe, the ingredients that you're going to need are 2 medium-large zucchini that you're going to shred, a half a cup of diced onions, it calls for 6 eggs, a 1/4 cup optional of shredded cheese, and then a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper to taste. To make the zucchini egg cups, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, grease your muffin tins or a mini loaf pan, put it to the side, and in a bowl, whisk together the eggs, the onion, the cheese, the black pepper, and then fold in that shredded zucchini and stir it to combine. Spoon them into your pan, fill it about 3/4 of the way full because they're gonna rise when that egg cooks. Bake it for 12 to 15 minutes or until the egg is set and the cups are lightly browned on top. We don't wanna burn it or have crunchy stuff for babies. Cool the zucchini egg cups and then serve them to your baby. Now, you could definitely make this recipe in muffin tins or mini muffin tins, but for babies who don't have their pincer grasp yet, I like to use mini loaf pans. So the mini loaf pan creates rectangular egg bakes, which you can then cut into strips about the size of your adult pinky finger and offer to your baby, which is the perfect size for baby-led weaning. So the whole zucchini egg cup recipe is written out for you in the description of this video, and while you're there, leave me a comment and let me know if your baby liked this recipe. I put out new baby-led weaning videos every week here on YouTube, so be sure to subscribe to stay up to date, and thanks for watching.